And that is the sound of a long black taking very long to pour. And she's done. Okay, I'm putting the phone on the bench because I don't have my gimbal today. My hand's too shaky and I thought I need to have a stable camera. So, welcome back to my channel, guys. My name's Thomas if you're brand new, and I make style and hair related videos every single week, in case you didn't already know. And in today's video, I'm kind of filming this on the fly. Usually I batch my content and Kim helps me film it all. However, I've run out of content because last weekend I was down in Sydney, which was meant to be filming weekend, and everything's just a mess. So, I am due for a trim. I've been saying it for a while that I needed to go to the hairdresser. So I'm taking you guys down there today, and we're gonna be getting half an inch taken off. But I'm also gonna ask Josh to do like a 5-strand braid. So for those of you who don't know, I mean, some of you know how to braid, some of you don't, but usually a braid will have like 3 strands of hair in it, but this one is made with 5, and Josh is a really clever hairdresser, and I love it when he does a 5-strand braid. So I'm gonna get him to do one like possibly along the top and then leave the sides normal, and I think it's gonna look really cool. I don't know if he'll have time to do it or not, but we'll ask him when we get down there, and you guys can just, you know, watch him trim my hair and watch him do it, and then we'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like. I wish I had a bit more of a professional video for you this week, but I just didn't have the time. But I couldn't not upload. So enjoy this, and I will see you in a minute. Alrighty, now we are back from the salon, and this is my 5-strand braid. Josh did a pretty good job, huh? I'm just gonna do some close-ups on like my big SLR camera now, just so you can really see how he's put this together. Like, it's really, really cool. I really wish I could learn how to do 5-strand braids on my own, but it's very tricky. As you can see, like in the footage, he has to like intertwine it between all of his hands, but yeah, so this is my hairdo. Please let me know what you think of it in the description box or the comment section. And yeah, I'm sorry this video was so all over the shop. I just really had to film it on the fly. Keeping up with content is so difficult. So anyway, enjoy this video. Please give it a thumbs up because it helps me out. And I will see you next week for another one. Okay? Catch you later. Bye.